नमो महावदन्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरद्विषे नमः। तमादिदेवं करुणानिधानं तमावरणं सुहृदावतारम् अपार संसार समुद्र सेतुं भजामहे भागवत स्वरूपम्। भक्त्या विहीनः पराधलक्ष्ये क्षिप्तश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वं शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम् वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम्। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयो मुदीरये। भज श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, innumerable humble obeisances of lotus feet of my spiritual master, the divine grace, Nitala Prishtam Vishnupad Paramahansa Parivrajakacarya Varjoshtotar Sadasya Srimad Srila Bhakti Vayapuri Goswami Guru Maharaj. I pray the causeless mercy, then my Shiksha Guru Padma, the divine grace, Nitala Prishtam Vishnupad Srila Bhakti Vedanta Narayana Goswami Maharaj. I pray the causeless mercy and innumerable humble obeisances of the lotus feet of my Shiksha Guru Padma, Nitala Prishtam Vishnupad Srila Ishi Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Ji Maharaj. Then I pray the causeless mercy of and Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupad Jagat Guru Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Srila Prabhupada to Dandavat. And I pray the causeless mercy. Then in my Dandavat of Param Pujyapad Sri Virupanuga Guru Vargo and Param Pujyapad Chaitanya Swami Srila Bhakti Sadhak Muni Maharaj Ji. I pray the lotus feet of then Param Pujyapad Chaitanya Swami Srila Bhakti Tilak Niskinchana Maharaj. I pray the causeless mercy of him. Mitra Param Pujyapad Chaitanya Swami Srila Bhakti Chakor Narsingh Maharaj, Param Pujyapad Bhakti Sundar Sadhu Maharaj, Param Pujyapad Sri Bhakti Nishte Sant Maharaj, Param Pujyapad Madhusudan Maharaj. I do Dandavat Pranam to all the sannyasis and I pray the causeless mercy. And who is sitting in here, all Vaishnavis and all Vaishnavish, I pray the causeless mercy of him. Now we will enter the Srimad Bhagavad Mahapurana. Then Srimad Bhagavad Mahapurana is at first then Krishna Dvaipayan Sri Vyasdev is pray, do Mangalacharan. जन्मादस्य जतोन्मयादितरतः सार्थे स्वभिज्ञास्वराट् तेने ब्रह्महृदाजयादिकवये मुह्यन्ति जत्सूरया तेजो वारि मृदं यथा विनिमयो यत्र त्रिसर्गो मृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तकुहकं सत्यं परं धीमहि सत्यं परं धीमहि. Then, to do mercy of the living entities, then he written Srimad Bhagavatam Mahapurana. At first, then Vyasadeva is praying. He did not take any god's name. He did not speak, I am praying to the Krishna. He did not speak, I am praying the Ramchandra. I will take shelter of the Satyam Param Dhimahi. Then who is the absolute truth? Not I am alone, with my disciples. Dhimahi. Then we take shelter. Then Mangalacharan is 3 types of Mangalacharan we are doing. One Mangalacharan is in Namaskaratmakam. We are doing Nama Nama. Bande Aham Sri Guru Siddham. Namaskar. To offer the humble obeisances. And another Mangalacharan is Asrivadatmakam. To God the mercy. And third Mangalacharan is Vastu Nirdeshatmakam. Vastu Nirdeshatmakam means what is the meaning of Vastu? The substance. What is the established in the Srimad Bhagavatam? Who is the Supremo? Godhead in Srimad Bhagavatam. By the Mangalacharan, we can understand who is the Supremo and what he is want to write in this book. Then by the perfects, how then we know that books? This type of then Vastu Nirdeshatmakam, the substance, who is the in our worshipable. There is a written Sri Vyasadeva by the Mangalacharan, he gave introduction. Then somebody will be perfectly then knows the Mangalacharan, then he can understand the Srimad Bhagavatam is who is the really Godhead and Supremo. What do you want to wrote the Bhagavatam? Then at first is the Satyam Param Dhimahi. That Janmadasya sloka, this is from the Brahma Sutra's second mantra, is starting from Bhagavatam. First is Adhatho Brahma Jigyasa. What is the meaning of Brahma? Adhatho Brahma Jigyasa. To know the Brahma, who is Brahma. And the second mantra is Brahma Sutras, Janma Dasya Jato. Who is the creator in this world, universe? Who is the maintainer and who is the destroyer? There is a written Jatoho, Janmadi, which from came this world, and who is directly and indirectly in this world. Without him, we cannot then one leaf also. We cannot take one leaves also. We cannot catch anybody who is giving the power in our senses. Then without it, inside the Bhagavan, the Khirodsai Bhagavan Vishnu, then in our senses is useless, not working. There is a written, who is everywhere. That Supremo is like the Swabhigya. Swabhigya means knowledgeable, self-knowledgeable. He knows everything. Not necessary to take knowledge from another person. But the human body, we are always taking the knowledge from to another person. But the animals and birds, creatures, they are not taking for the, not necessary to take the knowledge from each other. Only the humans, beings, they have a need the knowledge in every point, every moment we have need the knowledge. When we born, when we came, the mother soul, that period, then we have a need every moment, every time we have the knowledge. But Bhagavan, who is the Supremo, this is calling to Satyam Param Dhimahi, who is the real absolute truth. He is not necessary for the knowledge. He is Satchidanandamaya. Vishwotpatyadi hetave. Satchidananda Rupaya. And he gave the knowledge inside of the Brahma. He is create. Gave the Bhagavat knowledge, Bhagavat Vidya. He is a real absolute truth. And which the Leela, the past Leela of which past Leela, all the learned person, also Brahma also, they are also Muhyanti.
Bewildered.
Bewildered. Jat Suraya. Suraya means all the demigods also. In Govardhan Leela. And in Brahma Mohan Leela also, Brahma could not understand. The Supreme God, he thought, oh, he is a boy, he is taking remains of the cowherd boys. How he became God? How he became the God? Jagya Purush. Then he wanted to test. He could not understand. The Sadharan Leela. Cowherd boys with is playing in Krishna. That he could not understand. How he will be understand to the Ras Leela, etc. This is the very deep. And in our Gaudiya Vaishnavas, in the we are a Parakya Bhave Jaha Brajate Prachar. This is in our ultimate goal. Still now in Brajmandal they could not understand. Still now in Brajmandal, so great saints and Nimbark Sampradaya Samacharjas, in Vishnu Swami Samacharjas, also in some Gaudiya Acharyas also. They are putting so many lot of questions. What is the Parakya? What is the Sukya? Still now they could not understand. Then Muhyanti Jat Suraya. Then who is the really absolute truth? Then it's only proof of Srimad Bhagavatam. There is a 10th canto, then 2nd chapter, when Krishna is came the heart of the Devaki Mata in jail of Kansa Maharaj. When time is came to come the Supremo God, and at that period, at first the infirm, to all the demigods. At first came to Brahma, Indra, and Varun, etc. with instrument. They came. At first they welcome to Krishna, please you come. Why? Before they pray by the Purusha Sukta mantra, Om Sahasra Sirsha Purushaha Sahasrakhya Sahasrapat, by the Purusha Sukta mantra, they sing that Purusha Sukta mantra to please the Vishnu, Bhagavan Vishnu, Garbhodasai Bhagavan Vishnu. Then he speak, he is very appreciate and speak, okay, don't worry, Vasudeva Gruhe Shakhyat Bhagavan Purusha Para. Then I will come to accept my father and mother who is the Anak Dundhuvi. Name is Vasudeva. At first I will enter to the heart of the Vasudeva, then I will come gradually the heart of Sri Devaki Mata, not womb. Bhagavan is always entering the heart, not womb. Jiva is coming from womb, but Bhagavan always coming in our heart. Hrudiyesha Atmani. He is always staying in heart. Then all demigods, they came, at first they pray, Satya Vratam Satya Param Trisatyam Satyasya Joni Nihitam Cha Satye Satyasya Satyamrita Satya Netra Satyatmakam Tvang Saranam Prapanna. Then 9 times they speak Satya, 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 Satya. But in India, who is doing worship is the demigoddess, Devi Mata. They are speaking Sache Darbar Ki, especially in Punjabi peoples, they are chanting Sache Darbar Ki Jai. Sache Darbar means the demigoddess Durga. They are calling to seize absolute truth. But see, Vyasadeva is written in here. Absolute truth is only Bhagavan, the Supreme Godhead Krishna. Not necessary to search another scriptures. And another one is Satyam Param Dhimai. Satya is only Srimad Bhagavat Mahapurana. This is the form of Sri Bhagavan's. The end of Srimad Bhagavatam is Sutta Goswami is written. Also he prayed Satyam Param Dhimai. There is the end of Srimad Bhagavatam. Then Sutta Goswami chant that holy slok. Ki kasmai jena vibhasitaya matula Jnana Pradeepa Pura Tadrupaya Cha Kasmai Jena Vibhasitaya Matula Jnana Pradeepa Pura Tadrupena Cha Naradaya Munaye Krishnaya Tadrupine Jogindraya Tadatmanatha Bhagavatarātaya Karunyata Tasuddhang Vimalang Visokamamritam Satyam Parang Dhimahi. That Satyam Parang Dhimahi is the starting of the Grantha, Srimad Bhagavatam. When the Vyasadeva is praying with his disciples, Satyam Param Dhimahi, and saying things, the end of the Srimad Bhagavatam, who is the speaker of Srimad Bhagavatam by the Sutta Goswami, also prays Satyam Param Dhimahi. What is the Satyam Param Dhimahi? Then Srimad Bhagavatam Mahapurana is the Satyam Param Dhimahi. We don't know then Krishna Ram is Satyam Param Dhimai. Yes, you have a relation with Bhagavad. You have a not a relation with the Krishna. Krishna is appeared, then Krishna also disappeared. Then Sri Shuddha Goswami is speak. We have a connection with Krishna, but Krishna is appeared 5,500 years before. कृष्ण स्वधा में भगत धर्म ज्ञानादिविषा कलौ नष्ट दृशामेश पुराण अर्क अधुनोदिता. This is the real Siddhanta. When the Krishna is came the end of Dwapar, he appeared in here. And after 125 years he do lila in here. And also he disappeared. When he disappeared, at that period, in this world, the dharma, religious, and knowledge also he take away. Then, starting of the Kali, sometime then Kali is entering that period. Then Krishna is living in this world. And at that period, then dharma and jnana, both he take away. Now is where he went, that then there is a written, Krishna Sodhama Bhagata Dharma Jnana Divesa, Parantu Kalau Nashta Drishamesa, Puran Arka Adhunodita. Who have no knowledge? Nashta Drisha. Nashta Drisha means who have no eyes, with the ignorance, manda sumanda mate manda bhakya hupadrata. Manda means lazy. Who is the lazy person? Lazy for bhajan, not lazy for prasad. In Hindi, we are speaking, bhojan mein खुशियार और भजन में आलसी. भोजन भेने प्रसाद, yes, okay, I am ready. But bhajan, oh, I have no time, I am very tired, my health is not so good. So many things, I will speak it. And during this Kali Yuga, everybody is speaking in Hindi also. जिंदगी जब तक रहेगी फुर्सत ना होगी काम से. जिंदगी जब तक रहेगी फुर्सत ना होगी काम से, और ऐसा समय निकालो प्रेम कर लो हरि नाम से. Which lives we are staying in this world, we did not get the time. Everybody is too much busy in this world. Everybody is self-intention, but necessary too. The time to engage the service of the Harinam, the service of the Radha Govind. This is the most important. Especially for the Vyasdev is written Srimad Bhagavatam, who is the most of lazy men. They can hear the Srimad Bhagavatam, then life will be fulfilled. Manda, Sumanda Mataya. Sumanda means unlucky man. He knows little bit, he have a knowledge to do bhajan. But unluckily, he did not want to do chanting and take shelter of the Gurudev and take shelter of the Vaishnavas. And another one is Manda Sumanda Manda Bhagya. Manda Bhagya means unlucky. Sumanda means misguided. Sumanda. And Hupadruta, who is suffering by the so many diseases. how he will do bhajan? Then Kalu Nashta Drisha Mesa. Then Sri Vyasadeva so then Kaliju peoples, so many things they are speaking. We are calling to what is the in Hindi is bahana. And he don't want to do it. But he is speaking, oh, I have no time, this, that, this.
Excuse.
Huh?
Excuse.
Excuse.
Or acting.
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 Just acting only. कुछ बहाना चाहिए और कुछ नहीं है. Just need acting. That type of persons, then Vyasadeva is written. Then which he gave some example is the Krishna is song. Krishna Swadhama Bhagat Dharma Jnanadivisa Kalau Nashta Drisha Mesa Puran Arka. Puran Arka means is the son of Puran. Now how then the sun is rising in sky, then all of the ignorance, darkness is about. Like this type of, in our darkness is inside. Then there is a Vishwanath Chakravarti Pada is written. Then in sky, so many stars. Stars cannot remove the darkness. But we have need one moon. One moon. Without moon, we cannot look that. Without moon, no. Without sun. Without sun, we cannot look anything. Then this type of, then Vyasadeva is written so many scriptures. But necessary one song. Now is during that Kali Yuga is first Pratham Sandhya. Then kindly the mercy of the Vyasadeva is came Srimad Bhagavatam. Krishna Surja Astamite Sati Purana Surja Ayam Oditaha Surjasya Pratibhati Surja Mevahi. Chakravarti Pada is written when the Krishna Surja, the son of the Krishna, when he is disappeared, now sun is in sky. But Indian people, when he is not looking the sun, but Indian people cannot look. But Western people they are getting the sun. But in sky is only one sun, not in two sun. Sun God. Only one. Then 5,500 years before, when Krishna is disappeared, sun God, Krishna sun is disappeared. Now gradually the starting of the Kali Yuga in Pratham Sandhya, same Krishna is came in this world. How type? Then Srimad Bhagavatam Swarupam, he came in this world. So kiya ja bhavet teja tattam adadhat Srimad Bhagavatam. And what is the power of the Krishnas? Nama, Rupa, Guna, Lila, everything. The Supreme Godheads, everything, all power is entered the Srimad Bhagavatam Mahapurana. There is calling in Padma Purana. The Srimad Bhagavatam Mahapurana is came last. Then Sri Vyasadeva is published that book after Shatra, 17 Puranas after. But still now we are getting the Padma Purana, also glorification, the Srimad Bhagavatam. There is written कि पादो जदीयो प्रथम द्वितीयो तृतीय तुर्यो कथितो जदुरु नाभिस्तथा पंचम एव षष्ठो भुजान्तरन्यो जुगलं तथान्यो कंठस्तु राजन्नवमा जदीयो मुखारविन्दादशमं प्रफुल्लौ एकादश जस्य ललाटपट्टं शिरोऽपि ते द्वादश एव भाति. This is the form of Srimad Bhagavatam. The Krishna's two lotus feet is the Bhagavatam first canto and second canto. And the Krishna's what?
Tight.
Huh?
Tight.
Type is the third and fourth canto. And Krishna's stomach,
Never.
huh?
Never.
Navel, huh?
Pancham.
Panchama skanda. And sixth canto is Bakhyastha, head, chest. Seventh or eighth canto is arm,
Arms.
arms. Bahu. And ninth canto is throat. And 10th canto is full of the face. Mukharvindam. And Ekadash canto is Lalatam. Huh?
Forehead.
Forehead. And Dwadas is head. And Srimad Bhagavatam Mahapurana is Adi Bhagavan. Tamadi Devam Karuna Nidhanam. He is the very, very merciful. And Adi Purana, Adi Deva. Krishna is not in Adi Deva, Govindam Adi Purusam. Sri Padma Purana, there is a written Adi Purana in the Srimad Bhagavatam. This is not in the Kali Yuga first is Srimad Bhagavatam is not can. Before also Srimad Bhagavatam. Internal. Also in Srimad Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad's commentary, there is a written not in 18,000 slokas, but some slokas, Sankhipta Rupena, very short slokas, short grantha, then Vyasadeva is written. Sankhipta Rupena Srimadam Bhagavatam Nirupaya. Chakravarti Pad's commentary. Otherwise, Skanda Purana, also then glorification of the Srimad Bhagavatam. Padma Purana also then 6th chapter, they are also glorifying the Srimad Bhagavatam. Also Narad Purana, all Puranas. This is calling to Chakravarti, the Granth Chakravarti. Chakravarti means you know? Emperor. The Srimad Bhagavata Mahapurana. Then all is king, but he is emperor. Then everybody is praying, glorifying the Srimad Bhagavatam. Then Tamadi Devam Karuna Nidhanam, the ocean of merciful in Srimad Bhagavatam. Tamadi Devam Karuna Nidhanam Tamal Varnam. In his form also in Tamal Varnam, in Krishna's form. And another incarnation is the name is Hitavatar. Hit means welfare. This is for the welfare avatar. Then Srimad Mahaprabhu ji speak, Srimad Bhagavata Purana Amalam, Jat Prema Pumartha Maham, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhur Matamidam, Tatra Daro Na Aparaha. Or you want to do service, Tatra Adaro, means you keep faith. And you keep attentive only Srimad Bhagavatam. Tatra no need for the other scriptures. No need for the other scriptures. Also there is written Ashtadasa Puranani Krutva Satyavati Sutaha. The Satyavati Sutta means the son of the Satyavati, means Vyasdev is written so many Puranas, Ashtadasa Puranas, 8 Puranas. 18. Bharatakhyanam akhilam tadupe brunhitam arthoyam Brahma Sutranam. Brahma Sutranam artha. The meaning of Brahma Sutranam is Srimad Bhagavata Mahapurana. Otherwise you cannot understand the meaning of the Brahma Sutras. Aham Brahmasmi Tattvamasihi Prajnanam Brahma Sarva Khalidam
Sarakalamidam Brahma.
Brahma. How will you understand? Anandam Abhyasam itihi. So many sutras is there, but very short form. How will you understand? Without take shelter of the Srimad Bhagavatam. Arthoyam Brahma Sutranam Bharatartha Vinirnaya. Without take shelter of the Srimad Bhagavatam, we cannot understand also in Srimad Mahabharata. And Gayatri Bhasya Rupa also. That Srimad Bhagavatam is starting from Brahma Gayatri. Then Brahma Gayatri is Dhiyo Jano Prachodayat. Here speaking, Dhiyo Jano Prachodayat. And here also Satyam Param Dhimahi. What is the meaning of Dhimahi? And same meaning is Dhiyo Jano Prachodayat. You will do that dhyana, means meditate. Then also Srimad Bhagavatam is starting from Brahma Gayatri. Then Brahma Gayatri is Bhasya Rupa so. This is the purport of Srimad Brahma Gayatri, Vidya Srimad Bhagavatam. Arthoyam Brahma Sutranam Bharatartha Vinirnaya Gayatri Bhasya Rupa so. Vedartha Paribrunhita. This is the essence of the Vedas. Essence of the Vedas. Sarva Vedanta Saram hi Srimad Bhagavatam isyate. Tad rasamruta truptasya nanyasat rate kochit. Then somebody will take shelter of the Srimad Bhagavatam. Then he get happiness in here. Vidyam Bhagavatavadhi. You are a learned person, have a knowledge, then you use the knowledge in Srimad Bhagavatam, you will get happiness in here. Then Satyam Param Dhimahi, also in here, is the Hitavatar is Srimad Bhagavatam. Then Krishna is appear and disappear. But Srimad Bhagavat, where is the appear? He never will be disappear. Always stay with us. Then second sloka is speaking Dharma Projita Kaitavatra Parama Nirmadharanam Satam Vedyam Vastavamatra Vastu Sivadanta Patrayan Modanam Srimad Bhagavate Mahamuni Krite Kimba Parairishwaraha Sadhu Hrudya Varuddhate Yatra Krutivi Susrushubhi Tatkana. Why? Who is the real Adhikari in the Srimad Bhagavatam Mahapurana? Who is the real Adhikari? Who will be speaking in Srimad Bhagavatam? And who have a education?
Qualified.
Huh?
Qualified.
Qualified, yes. Who is the qualified to learn the Srimad Bhagavatam. First is written Dharma Projita Kaitavatra. What is the meaning of dharma? The Vedic dharma, so many dharma in this world. Then projita means you reject it. All the dharmas. And to reject it, all the dharmas, only one dharma is Savai Punsa Paro Dharma Jato Bhakti Radakhyate. One dharma is to do devotion, the lotus feet of Sri Radha Govinda. This is the main dharma. The prominent dharma is this. And another is dharma projita kaitavatra parama nirmaksharanam satam. Nirmakshar means whoever know?
Envy.
No. Envy. Jealous. They are only qualified for the Srimad Bhagavatam. And here is only Vastum. Here, that slokas, there are 3 times they speak here, Srimad Bhagavatam. Atra means in Sanskrit, here. 3 times in Atra, but in Sanskrit slokas, one thing is repeat, then second times, this is not so good sloka. In Sanskrit, एक बार कोई बोला है उसको 2 बार रिपीट किया जाता है तो उसको माना नहीं जाता है. There are not accepting any scholars that sloka. But in here Srimad Vyasadeva is written 3 times. This is calling to Trivacha Pratigya. Then Vyasadeva is promised here Srimad Bhagavatam. What is the here? Atra Parama Dharma in Srimad Bhagavatam. The superior dharma is in Srimad Bhagavatam. And who is qualified? With the Nirmaksharanam sadhus, they are qualified to hear and to listen and to speak. And Vedyam Vastavam Atraha, to knowledgeable, the absolute truth is in Srimad Bhagavatam. Atra, not necessary to go another. What is the meaning of Vastu? Achyutat Vastu Tarang Navatyam. No place. Vastu means
object or substance.
Vastu means the substance. Vastu means substance. Some words I write it here. Vastava Vastu is the Krishna is the Vastu. Achyut is the real Vastu, substance. Without Achyut, nothing. This one. Also that Vastu, the Satyam Param Dhimai, that Vastu is only in Srimad Bhagavatam. And Sivadam, the welfare, who will be listened that Srimad Bhagavatam? Then welfare will be come up. And Tapa Trayan Moolanam, the threefold miseries will be appropriate. Remove. Yes, you speak in some simple words, then I can understand it. Remove the threefold miseries to listen the Srimad Bhagavatam. And Srimad Bhagavad is Mahamuni Krite. It published Sri Vyasadeva, Mahamuni. Then who is takes shelter of the Srimad Bhagavatam not necessary for the other scriptures. King Baparayirishwara. This Ishwar is Srimad Bhagavatam. This is the Brajanandan Krishna is Srimad Bhagavatam. That for Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu speak Aradhya Bhagavan Brajesha Tanaya Tadham Vrindavanam Ramya Kaschit Upasana Brajavadu Vargena Jakalpita Srimad Bhagavata Maha Pramanamamalam. Then this is written Srimad Bhagavatam is who is the Brajanandan Krishna is Srimad Bhagavatam. Where is the main place? This is Vrindavan. And how to do worship? The according follow of Srimad Bhagavatam, how type of then gopis to do service of the Krishna, we should follow to there. But we are in Rupanuga, not Raganuga. Then we should follow the Rupa Goswami path. Then Sadhya Hrudi Avaruddhate, who will be not listen still now. Maybe somebody have a desire to listen the Srimad Bhagavatam. Susrusha Shraddha Dhanascha. Then Susrushuhi Tatkhanat. Still now he did not listen, but he have a desire to listen the Bhagavatam. Susrushuhi, Srutum Ichchubhi. सुनने की इच्छा कर रहा है, सुना भी नहीं. You want to listen.
Only a wish.
Huh?
Only wish.
Wish only. But immediately, then Krishna is coming and established in his heart. Huh? In his heart, established नहीं है.
Yes, established.
Then really, then also in Srimad Bhagavatam, then Sutta Goswami is written, Shraddhaya, and somebody is by the Shraddha. Shraddha means attentively and submissively. Somebody will be here, the Srimad Bhagavatam. Srunvata Shraddhaya Anita Grunastascha Sacheshtitam Kalena Nati Dirgena Bhagavan Vishati Hridi. Bhagavan is what is the Bhagavad Katha means Krishna Katha. Then attentively and most of and submissively somebody will be here the Srimad Bhagavatam. Then Krishna himself came and he entered in his ear and established seat in his heart. Pravishta Karna Randhrena Swanang Bhava Saroruha Pravishta Karnendra Swanang Bhava Saroruha Dhunoti Samalam Krishna Shalilasya Jatha Sarat. When he is entered by the ear and sit in his heart, in our heart, at that period, all the past lives, what is the calling? All the contaminate, yes, ability will be remove it. Pravishta Karna Randrana Swanang Bhava Saroro Dhunoti Samalam Krishna. Dhunoti means the destroying, clean the heart. then past lives, everything will be clean.
Someone-
Then there is a written, then Susrushuvi Tatkhanat. This is the most important. The glories of the Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpatarur galitam phalam sukamukha amruta drava sanjutam pivat bhagavata rasa malaya muhuru rasika bhuvi bhavuka. Nigam means the Veda. Kalpataru means desire tree. Kalpataru means a desire tree. Nigama is Srimad Bhagavatam Mahapurana is desire tree. Somebody will be take shelter and you will desire, then a Bhagavat will be fulfilled on your desire. This is Kalpataru. Also Vaishnava, also Kalpataru. Vancha, Kalpataru. But still they are not in Kalpataru. They are not fulfilling our desires.
Two Bhagavatas. One Grantha Bhagavat and one
Bhakta Bhagavata.
both are Kalpataru.
Yes, therefore then is written, एक भागवत है भागवत सार शास्त्र और एक भागवत भक्ति रस पात्र. One is Srimad Bhagavata Mahapurana, we are calling to Bhagavat Shastra. Another one Bhagavat, who is keep in his heart in Gadavrata. There also another one Bhagavata. Tirtha kurvanti tirthani svantaste na Gadavrata. Then Vidurji Maharaj there is written, svantaste na Gadavrata, which keep the Krishna in his heart and traveling the pilgrim places. Not necessary for you. You have inside is the Tirthaji. God is inside on your. Tirtha kurvanti tirthani. But why they are traveling for the pilgrim places? For others. To purify the pilgrim place. Ganga also waiting. Ganga is purifying to the who will be do bath in there. Gangis. Yes, but Ganga also, she is waiting for the one devotee who will be candid to bath. Then all the sins will be clear. That purpose then Kalpataru is the desire tree is the Srimad Bhagavata Mahapurana. Nigama Kalpatarur Galitam Phalam, the ripe fruit. But Bhan Sukamukhat, the lips of Sukadeva Goswami. But Sukadeva Goswami, Sukha bird, calling to parrot? Parrot. Then he knows very well which fruit is the sweet fruit and which one is the sour. Very knowledgeable person. Then when Sukadeva Goswami is touched in his lips, then really Sada Sevya Srimad Bhagavati Katha. This is the most madhur to madhur, sweetness. Sukamukhat amruta drava sanjutam, this is the tree's ripe fruit. When he touched the leaves, then more to more than sweetness in Bhagavatam. Now he drink the Bhagavatam. This is not in fruit. In Bengali also we are speaking jol khaben. Jol khaben, but water is not for the eating, water is for the drinking. But in Bengali people still now they are speaking jol khaben. Also in here Sri Vyasadeva is written phalam. Phalam is only for eating, but this type of fruits not for eating. This is only drinking. पीबंत भागवत कथामृतम श्रवण पुटेश समृतम पुनंति विषय विदुषिता स्वयं ब्रजंति तच्चरण सररुहांतिकम. Everywhere you will got it pivanti. Not eating, only for drinking. Nice juice. Rasayana. Pivatam bhagavatam. Then कब तक उसको हम पीते रहेंगे? Still all the full life we will still drink. No, full life. Maybe you got liberation, mukti parjantam. Still the liberation, they are attractive in Srimad Bhagavatam. To drink the Srimad Bhagavatam. The muhuroh rasika bhuvi bhavuka. Then necessary to drink also in the Sukadeva Goswami. He also in a liberated person. But by the Bhagavata sloka, then he left Brahma Samadhi, he leave it. Then he came and entered. He leave it Brahmananda and he entered the Premananda. Then at first, then three types of Mangalacharan he speak. Then another one is, and at first the Sonaka the Rishi, they put question, कि पुंसम एकांतत श्रेय तन्न संशितुम अर्हसि. पुंसम एकांतत श्रेय. Shreya means welfare. Well, punsam, the human beings, what is the mostly to do it? Necessary. Then there is a written in Srimad Bhagavatam in Sutta Goswami is told कि वासुदेव भगवती भक्ति योग प्रयोजित. Then most of you do to the devotional activities for the Vasudeva. How type of bhakti you will do? Then ahetuki apratihata. Ahetuki means the causeless, and apratihata means unbroken. Ahetuki apratihata bhakti, you do the lotus feet of the Vasudeva, causeless and unbroken bhakti. And dharma sanushtita punsak visvachena katha soja notpadayate jadirati srama evahi kevalam. Punsam dharma sanushtita punsam. Whoever, then somebody is big faith in dharma, means varnashrama dharma. Varna means the Brahman, Kshatriya and Vaishya Shudra. They have a full of faith. They are practicing properly that varnas. But another one is properly he is practicing the brahmachari, kshatriya, brahmachari, grihastha, vanaprastha and sannyasi dharma. But they have no faith to listen the Srimad Bhagavatam Katha. But there is a written, who is not listening the Bhagavad Katha, then there is he is practicing the varnashrama dharma. They have so big faith, but this is calling to useless.
Useless. Without faith is useless.
Fruitless, no.
Useless.
Useless. Srama eva hi kevalam. Srama eva hi kevalam.
Useless effort.
Yes. Then he gave an example. How type of then a paddy. And you, what is it calling?
Grinding.
Fresh.
You beat
Beat the paddy, then came rice. But there is no rice.
Husky.
It's called husk.
Husk. Then you will bite it. Then rice cannot come out. This is calling to only lever, hard one. Hard lever only.
No result.
But not getting benefit. Like this is calling to srama eva hi kevalam. Useless. Then how is it possible to faith the Srimad Bhagavad, to listen the Bhagavad Katha? There is a written, Susrusa Saddhadanasa Vasudeva Katha Ruchi Syat Mahat Sevaya Vipra Punya Tirtha Nishevana. By the blessings of then Guru and Vaishnavas. Otherwise, it is impossible to do faith of Srimad Bhagavatam Katha. How you will test the Bhagavad Katha? When is the coming the test the Bhagavad Katha? This is the only the blessings of the Shraddha Dhanascha Mahat Sevaya. Without service of the Mahat, great Vaishnavas, it is impossible. And Punya Tirtha Nishevana, who is the traveling the pilgrim places? No, pilgrim places, why he is a traveling? But pilgrim places there is a staying, the Mahapurush, the Vaishnavaja. This is the most important to do associate with the Vaishnava. Without blessings, without Vaishnava Sangha, then no possible to test the Harikatha. Katha Ruchi. How will test? Then this is the important. Then Sutta Goswami, then he, at first he prayed in his Gurudev. Who is the Gurudev of Sutta Goswami? Sukadev Maharaj. This sutta is not in Romaharshana Sutta. This is sutta is the
Son of Romaharshana.
son of Romaharshana. Haigriva Sutta. Son of Romaharshana. But all the Puranas is Romaharshana Sutta is Bhakta. Speaker. But in Srimad Bhagavatam is the son of Romaharshana. Why then Baldev Prabhu to travel the pilgrim places, then Sutta Goswami ji speaking Naimisharana when he entered to there. At that period then Naimisharana, then Sutta Goswami the speaker in Vyasasana. But he did not stand up to welcome the Baldev Prabhu. At that period then Baldev Prabhu is too much angry. He did not give respect to me. Then by the mushal, then he bite him and Sutta Goswami is finished. Then all the Sonakadi, 88,000, they are to start the cry. What you done, Dauji? Now you are not satisfied to hear the Krishna Katha. You kill that the Sutta Goswami. Then who will hear the sweetness then Krishna Katha? Then everybody, all the says, they pray the lotus feet of the Baldev Prabhu. That period by the fire yajna, sacrifice, then another one got one Sutta Goswami. That Sutta is the speaker in Srimad Bhagavata Mahapuran. Also special Sutta is came for the Bhagavata Mahapuran. And Sukadeva Goswami, there is a written, at first then the Sutta Goswami is pray, Mangalacharan do, at first do pranam to in Gurudev, is Sukadeva Goswami. कि जं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतम् अपेतकृतं द्वैपायन विरह कातरया जुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरुवो विनेतु तं सर्वभूतहृदयान् मुनिमानुतोऽस्मि. Now we will hear who is Sukadeva Goswami. Who is Sukadeva? Sukadeva is the very beloved. Then Srimati Radharani maintains parrot. Srimati Radharani is take care of that parrots. Sri Anand Vrindavan Champu, there is a Kavi Karnapur Goswami, it is written the life story of the Sutta Goswamis, Sukadeva Goswamis. There is a written, then when the Sukadeva Goswami, Srimati Radharani is unable to speak in Sakhis, some things for the conjugal love of the Krishnas. Then she is unable to speak in Sakhis Lalita and Vishakha, but that things he read the Sukadeva and she sent to Nandagram for the Krishna. And Krishna, when he went to Nandagram to chant the Radha names, at that period then Sri Krishna also called that Sukadeva and he gave the, what is the name?
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Seeds, pomegranate seeds he gave it, and listen from the, what is the Srimati Radharani is sent, that shlokas. And he heard, then Krishna also saw the Madhumangal, Subal, etc. And he also write one letter. Not in write, he teach to Sukadeva Goswami. Then Sukha is remember everything, and as he teach, he speak to Srimati Radharani. Then Priya and Priyatamas, the secret word, Srimati Radharani and Krishna's, the secret things, only knows is Sukadeva Goswami. Kavi Karnapur Goswami is written, कि दुरावजनवर्ति निरति अपित्रपा भूयसी गुरुक्ति विषवर्षणे मति अतीव दूरस्त्यांगतः बपो परवसजनो परमिदं न कुलीनान्वये न जीवति तथापि किं परम दुर्मार अयं जनः. Srimati Radharani sent that to teach that Sukadeva and send it. What she teach? Durapa Janavartini Rati Apatrapa Bhuyashi. You are so distant, Durapa. To get you is the very difficult now. We cannot meet you. Why? In my mother-in-law and sister-in-law, They are always Jatila and Kutila. They are always disturbing to me. They are always chastising to me. Durapa Janavartini Rati Apatrapa Bhuyashi. Gurukti Vishavarshane. Gurukti means Jatila and Kutila. Sometimes chastising, hard words. They are speaking. Hard words. Then
Harsh.
Harsh word.
harsh words.
Hurting words.
And I cannot tolerate it. What I will do? Why? My body, female body, Bapu Paravasha. That female body, when I was in child, then mother, father is take care. When now I am married, then my husband and my mother-in-law, then this is for others, this is not for mine. They are take care to me. I am undertaking of the husbands and I am undertaking of the mother-in-law and sister-in-law, etc. Then how I will meet you without darshan? I cannot stay. Then very najivati tathapiking, without darshan of I cannot stay in this world. I will die. I don't want to live in this world. Then Krishna is so much sad. Then immediately, then to listen from the lotus mouths of the Sukadeva Goswami, at that period, then immediately Krishna is teach the Sukadeva to show the Madhumangal and show the cowhead voice. When he Kirata Mukhanisruta, then what is the teach in Krishna? Kinnavana gamane napya sange bayasai gushti samam. Krishna is for the Madhumangal. Then he teach the parrot, Nabana gamane. I don't want to go in the forest to the grazing the cows. I don't want to do associate with also with the cowhead voice. When I listen from the lotus mouths of the parrots, Sukadeva Goswami, Sukadev, then I may also don't want to blowing the flutes. What is it called? Play the flutes. No, I have no interest. Nacha muralikaha mode nadhenu gananabe. Also, I am not interested to go in forest to the grazing the cows. What I will do? Only remember the Srimati Radharani. How I will go and meet to them. There is a then feelings of the Krishnas. And what is the feelings of the Srimati Radharani? Only knows in Sukadeva Goswami. Sukadeva. By the blessings of the Srimati Radharani, then himself Radharani is sent. Please you go in this world and you preach in my conjugal law and sweetness the pastime of the Leela. You can do prachar. You are only one qualified person. You go in this world, so my devotees without in my katha, how they will stay in this world? Please you go. by the separation of the Srimati Radharani. Then Srimad Bhagavatam, everybody is speaking. Srimad Bhagavatam has no name of the Srimati Radharanis. Also no names of the gopis also. Srimad Bhagavatam, Krishna is do Raslila with gopi and do Raslila. And some gopis after Raslila, then when he disappeared, then all gopis they came to the bank of the Yamuna and to start the song is calling to Gopi Geet. After Gopi Geet, then Krishna came out. And that period is Sakhyat Manmatha. Abhirasit. He came out before he disappeared. Now he came out. At that period, one Sakhi came and catch in his hand. Who is catch in his hand? Sukadeva Goswami did not write it here. Somebody came and gave the tambulam, pan, etc. Bitter leaves. And somebody came, then straightly he looked it only by the house. Maybe somebody take picture to him. And somebody came and looked the Krishna, and by the teeth he catch the leaves. Bite the leaves, and by the finger I will look it to you. Who is he? But he did not wrote any names. Then Adi Puran there is a written Radha Nam Mantrine Murcha Sarmasiki Bhave Parikit Hitakrit Muni Nocharet Swashtavat. Then clearly Shukadev Goswami ji did not spoke the Radha's name and Gopi's name, but some words in the Sama Kaschit Anaya Radhitam Nona, some words he hints this is the same Sakhi. Secret. He keeps secret, but really this is the secret things. Radha's name, Gopi's name, this is a secret. Then he is a perfect bhakta of Sukadeva Goswami. He keeps secret. This is not in propaganda. This is just Swasambedya. That conjugal love is Swasambedya. To realize this inside. This is not in propaganda. Propaganda only Krishna Charitra. This is not the Charitra is for the propaganda. But he is a knowledgeable bhakta. He is perfect bhakta. Then also the course in Sringi Rishi to Sukadeva Goswami. We have only Parikshit Maharaj. We have only 7 days. Then Sukadev will be take the name perfectly, Nama Ucharana. Then 6 months he became Samadhi. Then how then Parikshit Maharaj will be
Listen,
We'll get to
Bhagavad Katha.
Then 7 days how you will be listen from Bhagavad Katha. This is the most important. But Brihad Bhagavata Amritam, Sanatana Goswami Pada is written, Gopinang Vitatat Bhutasputaha Prema Nalarti Chata. Then maybe Sukadeva Goswami will be take little bit of one word of the gopis also. Then 6 months samadhi he will take it. Gopinang vitatat bhutasputatara prema nalarti chata dagdhanam kila nama kirtana krita tasang vishesat smrute. That purpose then is Sukadeva Goswami ji did not take directly
Name of Radha.
name of also gopis, not in Radharani's. Radharani is the most of this. Also Gopinang Pitata Bhutasputataраha. How type of then fire is the wooden fires, some star type. What is the calling? Chingari, sparking. Little bit sparking, the hints of the gopis. Maybe it create in his head. Then 6 months samadhi for the Sukadeva Goswami. Sanatana Goswami Padi, Brihad Bhagavatam, there is it. Then the secret things, then Sukadeva Goswami kept that secret. But the merciful Srimati Radharani is sent to him, then he came in this world. At first he came the Kailas. There is a Kailas in then Amar Katha. This is another one name is Amar Katha. It is
Immortal.
Immortal Katha. Who will be listen that Katha, he cannot die. Then Krishna, Shankarji Bhagavan is listening to the Parvati. This is a big story. We don't want to enter there. Then gradually, then Sukadeva Goswami heard about the lotus mud of the Shankarji Bhagavan. And when he thought then in my Katha is stool in Sukadeva, for bite, he bring that Trishul, sort of the
Trident.
Trishul, and he ran away to kill the Sukadeva. Then he is born, then he came the Badrinath, and the wife of Vyasadeva, name is Bitika. She is doing bath in Saraswati river, and he is offering the water to the sun god. At that period, in his pronouncing some mantras, that period on his mouth, then Sukadeva Goswami is entered and stay the womb of then Bitika. How many years? 12 years.
Somebody 12 or somebody 16 years, somebody.
God forbid.
But Vyasadeva is called to Sukadeva Goswami, you came out. Your mother is suffering too much. Well, no, outside is the Maya will be catched to me. How? I don't want to go there. Now I am very happily staying. You don't disturb to me. Well, oh son, your mother is suffering. You come out. Then Maya will be catched to me. I speak to you, Maya cannot catch to you. You come out. Baba, you are undertaking of the Maya. You are not in the ruler of the Maya. Then Mayadhipati, who is created the Maya, he will command to speak. Maya, my illusion cannot catch to you. Then I will come out. Then Vyasadeva is remember the Krishna. Himself Krishna is came. In 9th canto there is written and he speak. And Krishna himself speak and please you came out. Mama Maya Durataya Mami Vaje Prapadyante. Then I am speaking, I am a ruler of the Maya. Please you come out, my Maya cannot catch to you. Then Sukadeva Goswami came. Jang praprajantam anupetam apeta krutta without nadi cheda. What is that? I don't know. Means umbilical cord cutting.
Umbilical cord cutting.
That cord is not cutting. Nadi chedanaadi kritya karmam. Without then that karma, then he start to walk. Where? Prabhajantam. Sannyasa dharmam shikrutyam. Then childhood period, no brahmachari, no grihastha, no vanaprastha. Immediately he takes sannyasi and went the forest. Only one mantra, aham brahmasmi. I am Brahma. I am Brahma. Then he also then he always chanting I am Brahma, then in meditating jama niyama asana pranayam pratyahara dhyana dharana samadhi. Then asam pragyat samadhist. In the Brahmanandis, which stage, that stage is got it, Brahmananda stage, Ang Brahmasmi. There is a written Swanandaha. Then himself he is getting the Brahmananda. Sukadeva Goswami ji written, Parinishthitopi nirgunyo uttama shloka leelaya grihita cheta rajarsya akyanam jadadhitamana. I am established in Brahma Samadhi. I am getting the pleasure in Brahmanandi. But O Parikshit, then the Srimad Bhagavatam slokas, the Leela of Srimad Bhagavatam, they are attracting to me. Then who is the liberation person, they are attractive. Then immediately he lived in Brahmanandi and he came. When he heard the disciple of the Vyasadeva, then Oho Bakijang Stanakala Kutam, that shloka, then Krishna is very kindness. The Bakasura's sister name is Baki. Putana is the title, not in name of the Putana. Putana is the title.
Dynasty.
Meaning?
Meaning you are in our India, you are a Das.
Surname.
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 Yes.
Baki is name.
Putana. Baki is the name of that Putana. Putana is sometimes surname.
Family name.
Family.
What is the in our Mishra, Tripathi, Trivedi, Chaturvedi, Sadvedi? Yes. This is type the Putana is the one of the dynasty, Bansa. Putana is the not name. Then we are also calling Mishraji, come. But Mishraji is the not name, this is the
Family.
yes, dynasty is the Mishraji. But Putana also in not in name. Name is Baki. Srimad Bhagavatam written, Oho Baki. Oho Baki Jang Stanakala Kutam. But who is came the Gokul to kill the Krishna? But very kindness is Krishna. Very small lips. That period Krishna had 6 days. How old is the Krishna? Only 6 days. Not in 6 years. 6 days Krishna. Then how big mouth? By the lips take the life of the Putanas. Then he killed the Putana and gave Dhatru Chitang Tatan. Dhatru means
Nurse.
mother. Where?
Nurse.
Nursing.
Nurse.
Wet nurse.
Like
wet nurse. But when in Golok Vrindavan, but another one planet, name is Opulence planet, not in Madhurya planet. In Golok there is a two planets. He cannot enter the Madhurya Rasa. Dhatru Chitam Tatonyam, but in Golok planet, but one Prokrushta, one places is the Aishwarya planet, opulence. There she got in Dhatru, nurse, stepmother. Yes? But he is a very kindness. Who will be not take shelter of the Krishna? Yes. But how is the form of the Krishna? Varaha Pidam Natavara Vapu Karanayam Karnikaram Vidhala Vasam Kanaka Kapisham Vaijayanti Chamalam Randhana Vedu Radhara Sudaya Purayan Gopa Bindi Vrinda Aranyam Swapadaramanam Pravishat Gita Kirti. When is the Krishna and Balram to take the cows, and when they are entered to this Vrindavan Dham, at that period all the gopis together and discussing about the Krishna Leela. That period some gopis they are together in there. One gopis speaking the form of the how he is looking for the Krishna and Balram. Then very beautiful form of the Krishnas. Then his beautiful form and very kindness. Maybe Dehve Bhakta Vatsalyata is there, maybe not. I will do bhajan of the Krishna. He will accept, maybe not. For that confirm another one disciple of the Sri Yasdev. He speak Anaya Radhitang Nona Bhagavan Harivishwara Janmo Vihaya Govinda Pritadam Anayataraha. Then Srimad Leela, Sarva Leela Mukutmani, the Ras Leela. At that period when then Krishna is to start the dance of the gopis, and when Krishna is disappear, Antardhyana, at that period, then he take sadharana prema dekhi sarvatra srava Radhar kutil prema hoilo pamata. Then Srimati Radharani saw, then Krishna is gave everybody what is the position of the gopis. Same things also me. But what is the my qualities? Krishna is give respect to all the gopis. Same respect also giving the Radharani. Then Srimati Radharani is too much angry. Then same things he gave to me. What is the comparison of the Gopi and Radharani? That she is angry. That period Krishna is taken by the worship of the, by the service of the Srimati Radharani. Then immediately he leave it all the gopis and to take and enter the Nibruta Nikunja. Then Krishna, somebody is do worshipping. Prema taratamyaneva bhakta mahatam taratamya. Always prema rasa nirjas karite aswadan rag marga bhakti karite pracharan. To test the prema. Always Krishna is humbling to test the prema. Then too much the premas, we are speaking everywhere, everybody is premi. No. Prem is a different type of the premi. Then superior is Srimad Radharani, is the Madanakhya Mahabhav. You want to test Srimati Radharani. But Sakhi have only Mahabhav. Sneha Man Pranay Rag Anurag Bhav Vibhav Mahabhav. But the feelings of the Srimati Radharani, Madan or Mohan, then Krishna want to test the Srimati Radharani's prema. Then he take the cigarette. Then Sukadeva Goswami is melted in his heart. Then Krishna have, yes, 1 minute. Then now Krishna, yes, time is over. Immediately, then Sukadeva Goswami is melted and he came and take shelter of the Vyasadeva. There is written Atma Ramascha Munaya Nirgantha Pyaurakrame Kurbanti Ahituki Bhakti Itham Bhuta Gunahari. Who is the Atma Ram? They can do bhakti. Atma Ram Munaya Nirganthya, no bound anything. Everything is left. Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma न सोचति न कांक्षति समः सर्वेषु भूतेषु मद्भक्ति who is repent? Who is the qualified to get the bhakti?
One who is on
Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma, who is
transcendent.
looking everywhere is the Brahma, Vasudeva Sarvamiti.
Seeing everything is
Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma, he was a full satisfaction by the senses. Prasannatma, no sochati, no kankhyati. He have no any desires. They are also not any thinking. Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma, no sochati, no kankhyati. Samah sarveshu bhuteshu. He is looking everywhere. Krishna is sitting in the heart. Samah sarvetu bhutesu madbhakti labhate param. He is a qualified person to get my bhakti. The Srimad Bhagavatam 18th chapter. Then he is a qualified. Kurbanti ahituki bhaktim itham bhuto gunahari. Who have these qualities? They can do ahituki bhakti, the causeless bhakti. He can do it. Then Harer Gunakipta Bhagavan Badarayani. Who is the Badarayani? The Badarayani's son name is Badarayani, means Sukadeva Goswami. Harer Gunakipta Chita, which mind is attractive by the Hari Bhagavan's qualities, the qualities of the Hari. Then Nama, Rupa, Guna and Lila. Prema Madhuri, Vedu Madhuri, Rup Madhuri and Lila Madhuri. Lila Premna Priyadhikyam Madhurja Vedu Rupaya Iti Asadharan Praktam Govinda Chatushtam. This is the 4 qualities is the special of the Govinda. Prominent is the 4 qualities is the special. Then he is attractive and Adhyagat Mahat Akyanam. Now he learned from the Vyasadeva. Vidhivat, properly, he learned from the Vyasadeva. Then this is the, who is the speaker in Srimad Bhagavatam now here, but who is the listener in Bhagavatam? That story we will hear in the evening classes. बोल श्रीमद् भागवत महापुराण की जय।